Hello everyone, my name is Mengnan. I'm currently a PhD candidate who studies at Western University. Western University is a very famous university here in Canada. I study at chemistry department at the lab, which is called the Electrochemistry and Corrosion Center. So this lab is currently supervised by both Professor Dalhousie Smith and Professor James Noel. So I study the copper corrosion, specifically the corrosion of copper-coated nuclear waste containers in the sulfite-related environment. So why I'm interested in that? This research is based on the idea of the permanent disposal of nuclear waste. So here in Canada, the nuclear waste is going to be put into a deep geological repository along with a special design container. This container has an outer copper layer and an inner carbon steel vessel. So after emplacement, there are so many possible scenarios along with the evolution of a deep geological repository underground. One of the possible scenarios is related to the production of sulfite. Sulfite is also known as a drastic oxidant that can drive copper corrosion, and that's why I am studying this at my lab currently at Western University. So I first got involved in the corrosion field when I was doing my master's study at the Dalhousie University. At the time, I was studying the corrosion of stainless steel alloys with optical in situ imaging. So this was the very first experiences that I started to grow my interest in corrosion field. And furthermore, I was given a really great opportunity to be able to exchange from Dalhousie to Western in the summer 2015 and spent 2 months here at Western to work in my current lab. So with the interactions of a lot of corrosion experts and peers from the lab at the time, I further developed my interest in the field of corrosion. And with that information in mind, I decided to apply a PhD position at the end of my master's study. And now that's who I am. So as a graduate student who is actually in the field of corrosion, I always get excited about my research, and also I am constantly inspired by a lot of people. First, my supervisors, Professor Dalhousie Smith and Professor James Noel. They're always easygoing and approachable. They always like to squeeze their time with you and try to listen to your opinions about your research and try to help you tackle the problems that you have during your experiment. To me, I really feel appreciated. And second, I got inspired by a lot of recent development in the corrosion field, like all those advancing techniques onto the surface analysis, which to me is really intriguing and always inspired me and pushed me through my research.